In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the Google Form header picture. So if you want to change this image in today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the little painter icon up at the top that says Customize Theme. And then over here on the right side, just go down to where it says Header and then select whatever's in here. And then you can select from one of the built-in themes. You can upload your own photo, or you can search your photo library by selecting that tab. Once you've made your selection choice, just go ahead and select it and then select Insert, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.